We have a product of minus 3, f, and g. So minus 3, f is 2x plus 5, and g is x squared minus 3x plus 2. The domain for this does not change. Okay, so domain for this is all real value, all real value. So overall, it's just all real values. All right, so let's expand this. Let's keep the minus 3 there. You get 2x cubed minus 6x plus 4 plus 5x squared minus 15x plus 10. So 2x cubed plus 5x squared, that's minus 21x and plus 14. Expand, you get minus 6x cubed, 15x squared, 63x minus 42.